Hi, I think you are doing well. So basically you want to know how do you change the footer sections links and how do you edit the content. So first of all, do you want to if you want to change the content from here from the footer section, and if you want to change the button links like privacy, partner disclosures and terms and uses, so you have to go the admin dashboards, and from here you have to go down and select the Socalbird menu, and from the Socalbird menu you have to go the footer sections. I'm clicking it, and after open you can change everything from here, like the title. For example, Pillarless LLC is a marketing and referrals agency. If you want to change this title, then you have to choose this text. If you want to change this text, then you have to change the text from here, the last text. And copyright line, if you want to change the copyright line, then you have to change from here. And if you want to change also the button links of privacy policy, partner disclosures and terms and uses, so you just have to click go the footer links here and change the button links like privacy policy, terms of uses and partner disclosures. And if you want to change the links, so you can change the every buttons or URLs from this box. And also if you want to change the colors, you also can change from here. So this is the part of how you maintain or how you control the footer section. And for now, if you want to change the privacy policy content, for example, this is our privacy policy contents. I just collected it from ChatGPT. So this content you have to change from yourself. So this is the dummy content. So if you want to change the content, so you just must have to log in your admin, and after admin login you just visit this page and just click edit with Elementor. Just you have to wait some seconds or minutes to reload it completely. So after complete the reload, you just have to click this widgets, and you can change the content from here. You can change all of the content from here. So every page have the same facility or same features. Like if you want to change another links like partner and disclosure, so basically this is the partner and disclosures, and this is the terms of uses. So if you logged in your admin, so you will see the edit with Elementor sections in the top, and every page you will see, and after clicking it you can edit everything from here. So that's all for the footer sections and the privacy policy, terms and uses and partner disclosure page, how you edit. So that's all about the footer sections. I think you can control and change everything from the footer. Thank you.